be showing you how to download Brickhill on Linux. So I have here a Ubuntu virtual machine. It is a desktop environment, but that's only so I can actually play the game. People on, say, Chromebook, you'll already have a desktop environment installed, so just do everything I do on terminal. I'm just going to do everything on terminal. So, we are going to start by, of course, updating the system. We always have to do this. So then just enter your password. Oh, on Chromebook it won't ask you for your password, don't worry. And that's just going to upgrade the entire system. This can sometimes take a second, not to worry. So, we are going to be using the default wine, but if needed, you can also use wine staging if that doesn't work. We will first try with normal wine. If a normal wine doesn't work, we'll try with wine staging. I've tested with both at some point, and both do work, I believe, but we'll see. And it's also important to note, currently there is an issue with looking around. Sometimes it can be a little finicky. It really depends on your environment. On some desktops it works, some it doesn't. I do not know any fix for it. It could be in the settings of the mouse. I'm not aware. Okay, it's done. Awesome. Now, we want to press L. We want to click ls. Here we will see their current directories. Oh, my bad. Okay. What we want to do is mkdir temp. This is just a temporary folder. Now, let's go into this temporary folder. Let me just silence something. There we go. Within temp, we now want to do wget https gitlab.com/meta_data/jake things /dash/bh_install.sh. And I wrote something wrong. I cannot copy paste. It doesn't work on my VM. I'm unsure why. Oh yeah, here we go. Oop. Anyway, here we go. Now we need to give this file that we just downloaded permissions to download. So we're just going to do chmod +x and the file name. Then we actually want to run the file name. You can use tab to autofill, by the way. It's very useful. And it's done. Now we need to add some architecture. Yes. Now once that's done, we gotta make a new folder. This needs sudo permissions. Just so sudo is basically administrator. Then we need to download a key. Yeah, I believe this is it. Yep. Now we need to do another one. Oh. Now, you see here I'm writing Ubuntu. That's because I'm running Ubuntu. This will also work on Chromebook, I believe. If this, if you're on another operating system, Ubuntu or Debian, or, yeah, pretty much, you want to go to their website, WineHQ. And if it'll load, that's great. Okay, you want to go to the downloads page. You can just do /download. And you want to click on your repository, your fucking flavor. There we go. You can also use binary packages if you if yours isn't listed here. None of these work. So we're gonna use Ubuntu, but yeah. Then I believe that's correct. No, it's not. There we go. Then we need, very important, do sudo apt update. Now that's done. Oh, there's also some new packages. We'll just upgrade as well while we're at it. Okay. Oh. Just deleting some stuff it didn't need. Alright. Sudo apt install -- install recommends WineHQ stable. Now this is going to install the stable version of WineHQ, which is what we're going to use. This tends not to have any issues. Yeah, staging can sometimes be a little glitchy and buggy. Hopefully stable works, though. And also, people using Chromebook will have to download Firefox within the Linux environment, not on their Chromebook. Just quite an important heads up, or else it won't work. Now that we're done here, we just want to ls. You can remove this, or you can just ignore it in case something goes wrong. Now, let's just cd. Oh wait, my bad. cd. You want to do cd /etc. No. Oh, my bad. All right, cd .local, I believe. Yeah. All right, share, and then you go in here. If you do not have a folder named applications, make one. And if you do not have a folder named application, you will see a file named Brickhill Legacy something something. You want to use nano to, look at the file, or cat, just copy it. Copy the entire contents of the file. Make an applications folder. For me, it was automatically made. And name, basically just make a new file named legacy brickhill legacy dash brickhill dash no legacy dash brick dash hill dot desktop. Within that, you just paste the entire thing. I will include the contents of this just in case it goes wrong for someone. Should not, but it can happen. Now, if it works, if it's able to, it is not able to, but it's not able to move it to my real clipboard. So just take a look at this and just move it. Yeah. Okay. Now that that's done, just to be extra safe, I'm going to copy this outside of the applications folder because it's a little finicky and sometimes it won't work as we wish. Alright, now that we've done that, we can fire up Firefox. And just head to, oh, my bad. Give it a minute. Maybe not. Again. Okay. brickhill.com. This is a fresh install, so I will have to log in. Let's go to play. Let's find a game. Let's click play. Now you just want to click open link. Now, it did not work for me, unfortunately. So, we are going to have to, we're going to have to run another command. We're going to have to download wine staging. Hopefully that'll fix it. Alright, let's try now. Alright, it worked. So let's just wait for it to do its thing, shall we? And now, since this is a virtual machine, it says fail to initialize Direct3D. All graphics cards not supported this. Do not support this. Also, make sure version 8 or later DirectX is installed on your machine. I am on a VM. I do not know how powerful the graphics card is, the virtual one, and so it's not going to open. Although it should open for you. It should open. Now, if it doesn't work even after installing the staging, do sudo apt install wine. This is just your typical wine. It's really just a normal wine. Now if that doesn't work, please restart your machine. Do reboot. Oh. Do reboot. Jesus. 0. That's going to reboot your machine. And it should work. Fresh as new then. I'll thank you, and let me know if it didn't work in the comments. Let me know what the issue is, and I'll try and get back at you and help you out. See y'all.